Some of us have been hard-headed, but on the other side, some of us were very obedient. Through this kind of hardship to bond us together, not knowing each other's personality from the beginning, and to handle us in a different attitude, we are very, very, very thankful for the three of you, Tita B, Tita Sally, and Tita Zen. You've always been here to understand and support us for so many ups and downs that we have been through. Happy to know and have the three of you in our lives. Being a mother is the hardest job in the world. You are willing to be a times a week, 8 times a month. And 96 times in a year, plus the holidays pass. Thank you for your heart that you understood when we needed a friend to listen out. Your strength is that guided us.
Lyrics namin na, oh. Lyrics na, kanta na.
Start make our